kanya?
Then she should be educated on the hindi, ang ibig sabihin ng educated, she may have been misinformed of the facts, given that the opposition to the lowering comes from yung mga dating kritiko ng administrasyon. But if you study the facts, and yung mga present ngayon, di ba? I think I just read 3 high school students ang involved sa crime. Nahuli sa raid, yung isa, nagta-trafficking ng drugs. Mga ano yun, ha? High school students. So, yung sinasabi niya yung sabi niya, focus on what? Focus on the problems.
Yeah.
Kasama yun eh. When you lower the criminal liability, kasama yun, you're focusing us on nagiging problema. Kasi that is the problem with minors involved in crimes. So, sa batas, nakalagay dun yung rehabilitation. Ang focus nga, rehabilitation eh. So, you are solving precisely the problem why these people are engaged in crimes. So, kaya sinasabi ko, siguro we must give some enlightenment or education. Kasi maraming hindi rin nakakaintindi. Like yung, from the very start, ang opposition nila, bakit mo ikukulong? Hindi nga ikukulong. Yun nga ang pinagtataka ko noon kung bakit naniwala sila na ikukulong. Hindi nga ikukulong I-rehabilitate mo nga So baka hindi rin na intindihan ni Miss Universe na Miss Universe, hindi na may kukulong, i-rehabilitate nga natin. Kaya tama ka doon. Let's focus on the problem. We are precisely focusing on the problem. Because the problem is they're engaged in crimes. So what will we do? We will have to rehabilitate them. Learn why they have committed these crimes. And then put them back to society.
Okay.
But I'm glad that she mentions it only means that she's also concerned, which every Filipino citizen should have the kind of concern